Welcome back to StreetRides South Africa. You can see I'm relaxing. Behind me there is Tyres. You know what that means. This is the golf update, part one. We're doing part one. Uh, what are we doing today? The wheels. Now we're doing the wheels. Oh, this is my friend. Oh, mechanic. So, if you want your car serviced, your car, anything car related, Street Ride Garage. So those that are on Twitter or whatever and know Josiah, you know the whole story of his car and everything. The current update of that vehicle is the engine was pulled out. He's the one that pulled out the engine. So check out Street Ride Garage. We'll service you and everything. So back to the Project Citi Campfest 2025. We're at a tire shop. You can see tires behind me. We are putting in new wheels and yeah, I can't wait. The car is over there. Let me do this. The car's over there, as you guys can see it. Let me just focus on the vehicle, lock it. The car's over there. They're about to do everything on the vehicle. I can't wait. Like I'm very, like you can see my face, I'm very, I'll show you the wheels. I'll show you the wheels, maybe. Should I show them the wheels? Not now. Not now, maybe. Maybe I'll show you the wheels. But yeah, that's part one of the upgrades of the update. We're still gonna shoot because we're doing the wheels and then we're gonna do, I've already done the lights up front, I'm gonna show you that. We're gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna get some lows because the car can't sit this high, gonna go lower. Also bought door speakers, we're gonna do door speakers, we're gonna change the front indicators as well. But yeah, you will see in the video goes. And I'll tell you about where I'm actually fitting. We'll actually speak to the owner of the whole place and he'll tell you guys this is the place to get your, are those my old wheels? Yeah.
Hi, this is Werner Jer from WDE Garage, Pretoria. Today we have this beautiful City Sport that we're doing a 15-inch BBS with a set of stretch tires, 165 40 15s. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm sure it's going to look tops.
So tell us about your company, everything.
Okay, WDE Garage is a shop situated in Pretoria East. We deal with rims and tires, from your normal passenger tires to stretch tires. If it's a tire, we can help. We also do sale of brand new rims from 14s to 20s. So yeah, a little bit of everything. That's why we do everything.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
If I agree the custom aftermarket size, you know. When I live watch, if I agree the custom aftermarket, next size. Fitting the indicators, moving them from this, because I didn't like the fact that they were orange. So I'm going for clear ones because every other part of the car is clear. Like every other part of the indicator, like this part of the indicator is clear. And then even at the back, see, my indicator is clear. So I didn't like that part, obviously, insurance. So I didn't like that. So now that's what we're changing. And then yeah, I don't want to show you the full car yet because I'm still hiding the wheel. But yeah, there's Mr. Street Rides Garage. Was good.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, we're doing that, and then we're gonna put the lip as well. We're gonna put a lip over here, and then yeah. So I changed these lights, the globes inside. So yeah, you'll see it on the overplay videos and everything. Yeah, I think that's about it up front. Yeah, and obviously my car runs no plate up front. Still need to clean this part up, but yeah, no plates up front. And then yeah, that's about it. So guys, before I show you the vehicle, after a long day of putting the wheels and doing everything, the Golf is behind me. I'm showing you this part of the world because it's behind me and I don't think you guys are ready. So this is not full project of the Golf, but it's semi-done. I hope you guys like the content. So there it is. There's the Golf. I did tell you guys that I changed the headlamps over here. So Changed that and the bright, and then I also changed that to clear indicator. Obviously, I run no plates up front in my vehicle. The wheels, it's sitting on BBS wheels, 15-inch tire profile, 165/40. And the car's still quite high, essentially for me. It's still a bit quite high. But we will drop it further when I get my coils and everything. So the car's currently not on coils, on normal springs. I just cut them just so that I can do this for the video. I'm gonna get the coils, I don't know when, because things are expensive. And I'm gonna tell you about how much the car cost. So I'm gonna tell you the cost of the car, how much the wheels cost, what the other small mods of the vehicle costed for me, but not in this video. I'm gonna tell you in part 2 of the video when I'm speaking about finance of the vehicle. Today was just about showing you why it took so long to actually do an update of the vehicle. It's because of the wheels. Honestly, it's because of the wheels. Things are expensive, so I had to just budget for those things, you know. But there's the vehicle. Tell me what you guys think. I like them. So it's not too low, but I'm scraping everywhere with the mud flaps over there. So the mud flaps are catching everything. But I like it. Scrape till you make it. Then I'm gonna put a lip as well. So I think from exterior wise, what I'm gonna do in the upcoming months, I'm gonna put a lip up front. I'm gonna put tint on the vehicle because it's too light for my liking. I'm gonna put tint on the vehicle. And then in terms of interior, I'm gonna do a sound interior. So let me show you the back actually, but it has my plate on at the back. So let me just quickly remove it. Yeah, so my plate is removed. There's the vehicle. Let me do this actually. Go underneath, yeah. There is the vehicle from this angle. My Citi Sport. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh yeah, I also want to do the exhaust because you can see it's a single exit Citi Sport exhaust. I want a full Velocity exhaust to get that Velocity sound. So that's also things that I want to do in the coming months. So there's still a lot to go. There's sound, there's tint, there's coils, there's exhaust sound. There's still a lot. There's still so many things I need to do, but I'm looking forward to it. So please watch those ads so that I can actually fund this thing because it's actually hurting my pocket because I still need to live outside of throwing all my money on this Project Citi. But by February next year when we go to Campfest, the car will be done. But yeah, I hope you guys did like the content of this short video. You've been waiting. I've given you everything you need to know about the vehicle. Yeah, I'll see you guys on part 2, which will be speaking about how much I've spent so far on the car and how much I'm paying. Okay, no, I don't need to tell you about insurance. Okay, I will tell you about insurance. I just won't tell you who I'm insured with. But I'll tell you how much the car costed. It's not what you guys have been guessing. That's what I can tell you. And then, yeah, that's basically about it of the vehicle. I'm going to tell you that. I'm going to tell you how much the wheels costed. I'm going to tell you the price of the wheels. Tell you the price of the wheels, price of the labor, because you guys saw the person that did it. But yeah, this is my vehicle. I hope you guys did like it. I'm at a mall and behind me, securities are pulling up. Eta? Didn't sound fair? I'm all good, I'm all good. So yeah, see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. I got it stock, I just changed the wheels. Yeah, I changed the wheels, I dropped it, number plate and a bit of things in terms of Mabone up front. So I changed the globes up front here. So I changed that and that to LEDs, and then this reflector. I changed it to clear reflector. Yeah.
But if body we told you.
Yeah, body, everything. Yeah, I didn't touch body. Body was exactly like this. I got it exactly like this. As shiny as it is, we want to party my soul. Got it exactly like that.
And then we get to go quick.
Yeah, Kolokwe. Yeah, my quad sort of sharp. Too much. But sort of sharp. Because the mileage is more 168. The 2009 spec, generally a bag. So, one of sort of sharp. Thank you, there. Hola. So, actually, funny enough, he's not even. He was just admiring the car. I thought he was gonna chase me away. Because when I'm shooting content of vehicles, most of the time, well, not here, but other places, they chase me away. But today, that guy came, saw the car. If you heard the previous video, you'd hear me speaking about everything. But yeah, guys, let me go home. It's late. It's been a long day. I've been up since 6 a.m. It's 7 p.m. now. So literally almost 12 hours. No, more than 12 hours. Let me go home. That's the Volkswagen Citi Sport.